Imagine a world where machines learn and evolve just like us. This is not science fiction. This is artificial intelligence. Today, AI shapes our daily lives in ways we often overlook. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science. It designs systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and understanding natural language. To understand AI better, let's break it down into simple steps. First, we have machine learning. This allows systems to improve through experience. They analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions based on patterns. Second, we have deep learning. It's a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to process complex data. Third, natural language processing enables machines to understand and respond to human language. AI technology is everywhere. Think about voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. These tools analyze our voice commands and provide relevant answers. They showcase AI's ability to understand language and learn over time. Another example is recommendation systems. Ever wondered how Netflix or Amazon suggests movies or products? These platforms use AI to analyze your preferences and recommend personalized content. This enhances your user experience and keeps you engaged. Let's explore a real-world scenario. Consider a self-driving car. These vehicles utilize AI to navigate roads safely. They gather data from various sensors and learn from it continuously. Over time, they become better at understanding traffic patterns and making decisions. The AI in self-driving cars is transforming transportation. It's crucial to recognize AI's impact on industries. Healthcare is one area being revolutionized by AI. Algorithms analyze medical data to identify diseases early. They assist doctors in diagnosing patients accurately, significantly improving health outcomes. While AI offers incredible benefits, it also raises important questions. What about job displacement? As AI automates tasks, some jobs may vanish. However, new opportunities arise too. The demand for AI specialists and data analysts is growing rapidly. Summarizing the key points, AI represents a significant leap forward. From machine learning and deep learning to natural language processing, its applications are vast. It enhances our daily lives and transforms industries, particularly in healthcare and transportation. Now, you have a clearer understanding of artificial intelligence. This technology is not just a trend, it's the future unfolding before our eyes. Stay curious and explore how AI can positively impact your life. Ready to embrace this future? Start by learning about AI tools available today. Explore tutorials, join online courses, or dive into AI projects. The future is now, let's innovate together.